making a song about a video game. And the video game is Minecraft. And the genre of the song is going to be alternative. Time to make a beat. I called up my friend to see if he could make me a beat that would match the vibes of Minecraft. He said yes, got right to work, and then sent the beat over to me. This beat is perfect. Time to do the vocals. Okay, I just finished the vocals, but if you like this song, make sure to click on the sound and add it to your Spotify library. Here goes nothing.